Okay, using the TrendPredator, this is the TrendPredator Pro. Looking at gold over here on the right hand side of the heat map, we're in an uptrend, but it is an overextended uptrend. We've got 3 weeks, days, 8-hour and 4-hour periods, all overextended, given that we've had 3 consecutive breakouts to the upside. Okay, that is screaming potential reversal territory. Even though we're fully in breakout, we're in anticipation of a potential reversal. It's Wednesday, day 3 of the week, back end of the week, moving into the back end of the week, having had plenty of days moving up, plenty of length in this market to short into. Okay, so that's the trend. We had 1, 2, 3 bearish months and then a bullish month. January, a very bullish month, very steep trend there coming out of the highs of October. However, while this month is continuing with that bullishness from last month, here it is over here, we've got several weeks of breaking out to the upside. So at some point, we'd anticipate a pullback into all of that length. The days, we've got 1, 2, 3 days of breakouts as well. Peak formation low over here. All right, trade is going long. Excellent. Breaking out of last week's highs. Bit of a pullback, dragging traders lower in anticipation of a downtrend. In anticipation of a sell-off back into the length from last week, the days that were bullish. However, they got trapped and we pumped higher again. Okay, so now what have we got here? We've got a market that's already starting to roll over. We put in a high on the day. Okay, put in a high. We're now in a new session. That's the London session. We've got the Asian session lows as a support base. Sorry, the highs as a support. There's the support from the Asian highs. We tried to get in below those highs into that range. We've got the closing price as a potential target on the downside. However, what we need to see is the price being accepted in that range, in the Asian range. Okay, therefore, if it does, we would argue that we're now on the backside of today's trend. Now, it looks as though we are. Looks as though we're putting in a topping pattern. However, we need to get a close inside of that Asian range below the highs. We haven't had it yet. If anything, this could be pumping up again, and therefore we're still in a bullish trend on the day. So until we get a decisive close below that Asian high, so what I mean by that is I want to see a topping pattern and a close inside. So a double top, say on the 15-minute chart, head and shoulders, okay, maybe an ascending triangle or something, and then a break out of the triangle into the Asian highs, a close, and therefore we would say all of this up here is trap volume. London traders are trapped, and we're looking for the explosive move out of that trap below the Asian highs into test the highs from yesterday, the closing price, the value area high for a continuation through the value area of yesterday into the point control for a nice, firm, decisive blow off. Okay, so we've got the data coming out. We've got Wall Street right now, the next minute. Okay, the data is at 10 a.m. So I'd be looking for a setup after the data when the dust has settled, potentially to go short, potentially, or if the Asian highs stay intact and we get a pump up, then we're looking for the trend trade. But I'd be cautious of that because we're very high up on the weekly and daily charts, as well as the sessions. All right, so that's the Trend Predator indicator in all its glory, giving us really solid information from which to work from, looking for trend setups, not just trying to catch a move, looking for trade setups, sorry, not trend setups, potentially trend setups in this case. But again, an overextended trend, I'd be cautious in chasing anything that's breaking out. I'd be looking for the reversal. All right, more information on the Trend Predator in the description. Good luck for today's trading.